Review of some products I've been using on my skin. Like I said, we've been in Tampa, St. Petersburg for the entire week. My skin is still holding on. You can see, looks pretty decent, I'd say, and I think it's mostly in part to these products here. So what I've been using is from Healtop. That is Heal Top. And I've been using a wash from them and a spray oil from them, as well as a serum that I've been using at night, and this is what it looks like. So this is the wash, that is the spray oil, and this is the serum. So all of these things are for irritated skin, and I started using these about 2 weeks ago and was using them exclusively because I really wanted to see if they worked. So I stopped using all of my other products and just was using the products from Healtop. And at the time I kind of had some like irritation along my jawline. If you guys have followed me for any length of time, you know that I struggle with adult acne. I have for years now. So when I find something that really works for my skin, I try to stick to it because I've been through some tough times in terms of skin. But when I started using these products, I was having some irritation along my jawline, so like some fine red bumps, which is really not typical of my skin because normally I get the cystic acne that is really hard to go away, the hormonal stuff. But I started using this every night, and as you can see, I am not having any kind of breakup right now. I was really skeptical about using the oil because, again, I have oily skin, but I love it. This is probably actually my favorite of the three products. However, I can't really use it during the day. I've noticed that when I use it during the day, my makeup starts to crease a little more. However, with just using this spray oil, I've noticed that my makeup lasts much longer than it normally does. I don't have the creasing here in my smile lines or underneath my eyes like I normally do. So that is definitely a bonus. So I really do like these products. The face wash is probably the third out of the three, though I love it. I think now I've really figured out how to use it. At first I like to put my face wash on first thing when I get into the shower and leave it on until I'm done and then rinse it off. And this really doesn't work that way. You kind of got to go straight in with the lather, wash your face with it, and then rinse it off immediately, which I've learned. And as you can see, I'm almost at the end of it now. But I really like it. It smells really good. It just smells really clean, really fresh. When I rinse it off, I kind of get that squeaky clean on my face. I don't know if that's a good thing, but I like it. So it makes me feel like I'm really clean, which is nice for me because I'm oily, so I like to feel clean. So yeah, so we got the olive oil facial cleanser that I really enjoy. The spray oil here that is at the top of my list of favorites, but this one is my absolute favorite. The skin repair serum that I use at night, and it's just a really thick serum, and it just feels really good on my skin, and it feels really nice when I rub it in, and I really feel like I'm moisturized, and I just really like the scent of it as well. I kind of smell like tangerines when I'm going to bed, and it's a really soothing scent for me at bedtime, so I like that as well. So I would highly recommend these products if you deal with adult acne like me, or if you're oily or you want clear skin. Who doesn't want clear skin, right? So I would highly recommend these things. I am going to put a link into the company, so please go check them out. It's really good stuff, and it's all natural ingredients, cruelty free. I'm an animal lover, so I'm all about cruelty free. And it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals, so it's all good stuff. So I highly recommend it. So go check it out.